Hello, trading has closed on July 26th, 2021. Our disclaimer always comes first. This is my trading plan for tomorrow, July 27th, 2021. Just remember, I can be completely wrong and all trades should be at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early high, which this is, and tomorrow should have the early low. We said unless we gapped and promptly took out Friday's high, we should see lower prices. We gapped down, promptly took out Friday's high by 18 cents. And that's enough. That's gapping and taking out higher prices. Taking out the old high, rather. During the day, MEJT said this drop was false, wouldn't stick. Said this rally would retrace. Said this drop would retrace, and that's already played out. Well, this isn't the only way to count this. This gray dotted line was what I had Friday, and it extended back here. And we said unless we gapped over the line wins. Well, we still haven't gapped over the line. That's not right. I said it. Let's try that again. If you don't gap over the line wins, meaning the resistance holds. All right, that's right. Well, you could argue we haven't broken through the line. It's just too close for comfort for me. But if you now connect this high to this high, come right back to this high on the dot, it's kind of, you interfere with this, but it's kind of amazing stuff. We're still having trend line resistance. But, that's not enough for me to say this rally's over. I've been waiting for this leg to end. Right now, you can count this as 5 equal to 1, but it certainly isn't the only count. That's not enough to convince me it's over either. If we drop from here, I could explain it. That's easy. But as far as risking money on it, it's just not convincing enough for me at this time. If we do drop from here, immediately, you can make a case it ended. There's a number of totally unrelated timing systems of other people all coming into play right here. But timing isn't really my thing. I base most of my stuff on price. And this isn't the most convincing top I've ever seen. If it drops from here, fine. But otherwise, even if we don't trade much higher, I think we will trade higher. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. It could gap up. Typically, it's a rally day with a high in the final hour. Any weakness usually manifests itself early and usually leads to more weakness. Breadth remains a problem for the rally, but unless there's an early weakness, the odds favor higher prices printing. So if we drop from the open, I can explain it, but usually tomorrow's pattern's a rally day. And if it's not clear early that we're headed lower, if that's not clear early, I think we trade even higher, even if it isn't a lot higher. And that's today's call.